Hello Craft Center staff, and welcome to a quick tutorial of the Craft Center Loft. We use the Loft almost every day, and I just wanted to give you a quick introduction of items you can use in the Loft. First, we're going to start off with our documentation and deposit envelopes located in the Loft. They're also located downstairs at the Craft Center desk. There are two different types of deposit envelopes, and they can be found right here in these cardboard boxes. The first type of envelope is going to be the deposit envelope. The deposit envelope is where you will put your cash that you've received throughout your shift and the checks that you have received throughout your shift. The next type of envelope is your documentation envelope, where you will write the amount of cash, the amount of checks, and the amount of credit cards you have received. You will place your report that you've printed out, and you will replace the credit card receipts that you have received throughout your shift. Okay. Moving on, another aspect of the Loft is this cabinet. This is a safe within the Craft Center, and in this cabinet is our excess cash drawers and where we store the cash bags. So the key for the Loft is normally found in this metal mesh holder right here, and the key is used to open this cabinet. You turn the key, and inside you will find excess cash drawers. You will find more documentation and deposit envelopes, and then during the shift we normally store the cash leather bags up here just for safe keeping. Turn the key, put the key back in the metal mesh area. Some other items that can commonly be found in this Loft desk are colored construction paper for when we need to make copies of any items that use color. So for example, the sign-in, sign-out sheets for each of the areas in the Craft Center, and all of the day use or quarter pass cards within the Craft Center. So for example, right here we have the color orange, which is normally associated with woodworking. We have blue, we have green, we have yellow, we have blue, we have many different types of colors. Some other construction paper here are refund request forms, which are commonly filled out within the first few weeks of the quarter, because students want a refund on a class or on a bike tube or anything like that, so those can be found up here in the Loft as well. Okay, moving on to another part of the desk in the Loft. It's going to be down here in this black file cabinet. This black file cabinet has a yellow sign on it. It says ASI Craft Sale Materials. So it's only used twice a year. Gets a little stuck sometimes. But what is in here is very, very, very helpful for the craft sale. So if we open up the box, we see that we have pens that are useful. We have signage that is laminated for our customers. So some signs say, "We accept all types of credit card." They're stuck together for right now. Some say, "Thank you for supporting our local artists." And then some say, "The craft sale will end today at 4:15 p.m. In addition, you will also find more baggies that you can use to provide customers with a bag to hold their jewelry in. You can also find more baggies located in this cardboard box, which has more baggies as seen right here. Some other items that you'll find in this box are craft sale desk supplies, items that you'll need each day throughout the craft sale. You will also find a whole folder that is labeled craft sale signage. In this folder, you'll see schedules that have been made, you will see how to ring up a craft sale, and you'll see more signage. All these items can be found in this cardboard box, which is located under the Loft desk. Okay, moving on to a different area. We're going to move to the changing area and clothes storage area of the Loft. Over here is where any Craft Center employee can store their clothing during their shift, and they can move that curtain to the side and have privacy while they change. Moving to the closer entrance side of the loft is where we store those 2 cardboard boxes, are where we store bike tubes that can be used to restock the Craft Center store. In addition, we also have stained glass, and we have easels for displaying items throughout the year for marketing purposes. You will also find that we have vinyl board cover, which is this, and this is the cover that we use for our Craft Center tables for poster making. That is that vinyl cover that we put right below the paper, the yellow paper. There are many more aspects of the loft, but these were just a few items of the loft that I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for joining me.